everybody? Welcome to Walgreens, and we are here to do some couponing. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, I mostly do like 99% digital coupons. I do digital coupons because number one, coupons are expensive these days. My area sucks at getting anything good, so I mostly just rely on digital coupons, and they are free as long as you have the apps that I share with you guys. So today is week 2 of the Walgreens IVC. Easter is right around the corner, you guys. It is March, what, 30th, 31st. It's the last Sunday of March. So that's coming up. So I'm always trying to find some Easter deals. It is Wisconsin. I live in Wisconsin right now, you guys. And the other day it was 10 degrees. 10 degrees. It was so cold. The kids and I couldn't even standing at the bus stop. Today it's like 45, but the high is going to be 70. Welcome to this weather. I don't understand. But I guarantee you we will have one more snowstorm before the spring even hits. But we are excited to go shopping today at Walgreens. My store just recently changed their hours from a 24-hour store to a store that opens at 7 in the morning. So now it's different employees and all that stuff. So I have to like get used to all of their scheduling because everybody's here is different. But let's go inside and have some fun while we're shopping. So here we have the Olay bar soap. Now these are $8.29 and the regular body washes are on sale for $7. But there's a better deal with this deal. So you're gonna get 3 of these for $8.29. There is currently a 5 off of 3 digital coupon that you guys can use. You will pay $19.87. That is crazy. $19.87 for 3 of them. But you can submit your receipt, and it does say you guys can use a coupon. You guys will get $2 back with a limit of 5, so you get $6 back with Ibotta. Plus, every 3 that you buy, you will receive a $5 register reward, making these just $8.87 or $2.95. Which I think is a pretty good deal, considering it's over 50% off, maybe even 75% off. But I feel like I never really ever shop for the bars. I always shop for the body wash, and I use my bar soap every single day. So that's what we're gonna get. So here we have the Colgate on sale. We have the Colgate toothbrushes. Some are 4 and some are 5, but we're gonna go ahead and get the $4 one. You're going to use a $2 off digital coupon. Now you can use that coupon also for the mouthwash, which my store is sold out of. And then what you're going to do is you're going to get one of the $4 toothpaste for $4, and then you're going to use the $2 off digital coupon. Together you will pay $4, but you will receive a $4 register reward when you purchase the 2, making them both free. So this is an easy freebie that you guys can do. And yes, you guys can pay with Walgreens cash to make your out-of-pocket lower. So here we have the Oral-B and Crest on sale. Now I do not have any toothbrush digital coupons, but I do have a $1 off of the Scope digital coupon, so you can get one of the $4 scopes if you want. Then you can also get one of the $1 or one of the $4 floss picks. Right here there's one for $4. And then I also have a $2 off Burt's Bees digital coupon, and the children's toothpaste is on sale for $3.50. So you can mix and match however you want. So let's say we're gonna get 2 of the $4 items. So you're gonna get the floss picks for $4. You're gonna get one of the mouthwashes for $4. Together that's $8. You're gonna use the $2 off or the 2 $1 off digital coupons where you pay $6. But then here you get a $3 register reward, making them $3 or $1.50. We don't like paying that price. You guys can, I don't. But what I'm going to actually do is I'm going to get one of the $3.50 Burt's Bees, and I'm going to use that $2 off digital coupon. Okay. So right there, that's $3.50. I'm going to take the $2 off coupon. Actually, I'm just going to do $3. And then I think I'm going to get one of the mouthwashes, so we're going to add that. So right there is $7.50. You're going to use the $2 $2 off coupon and the $1 off coupon, making it $4.50. You'll get a $3 register reward, making them $1.50, or just 75 cents if you want to do that. Or what you could also do is get the Burt's Bees and one of like the $3 toothbrushes. Okay, that's $6.50, but you're only going to use the $2 off coupon. Again, you'll get that $3 register reward, again making it $1.50 or 75 cents each. So it just depends on what deal you guys want to do. So here we have the doll bottles of the Arm & Hammer. These just keep getting smaller and smaller. They're $7.49 if they are buy one get two free. So you guys would pay $7.49. That makes them just $2.49 each if you're interested with that. So if you guys like this, the scent boosters, we have the Gain. These are actually on sale for $4.49 for this one. The medium size Unstoppables is also on sale for $4.49. We have the Bounce and the Downy Calm Dryer Sheets. I don't know if these are on sale, but anyways, we currently have it where if you buy 4 of these, you will receive a $5 register reward. These are what are counting, so it's just the sheets or the boosters. But we currently have some digital coupons. I have a digital coupon for the Downy Fabric Enhancer, and I did scan, I don't know when I scanned, but I scanned one of these products and a $1 off digital coupon came off. Then we also have a $1 digital coupon for the little bottle of Gain. We have a $1 digital coupon for the Bounce. And then we have a $1.75 digital coupon that you can use for the Downy Unstoppables, the Gain, or the little bottle of the Downy Fresh. So what you can do is you're going to buy 4 of them. You're going to use the 3 $1 and digital coupons, and then the $1.75 digital coupon. You together will pay, I lost my spot, you will pay $13.21, but when you purchase the 5 of them, 4 of them, you will receive a $5 register reward, making it just $8.21 or $2.05 each if you're interested in that deal. So here we have the Dawn dish soap or the Gain dish soap. The sale is on sale like every other week, but you can get 2 of the Dawn. You're going to get them for $1.24 each. You will pay $2.48, but here you'll get a $1 register reward, making them just, or when you purchase the 2, you get a $1 register reward, making them just $1.48 or just 74 cents. Or you can get 2 of the Gain. These are $1.99. You're going to buy 2 of them, pay $3.98. But then you'll get that $1 register reward, making them $2.98 or just $1.49. You guys can pay with Walgreens cash to lower your out-of-pocket, and you can mix and match however you guys want to do this. I have a lot of soap, so I have to pass on this deal. So here we have a favorite that I actually like, and it's a good deal to stock up on. We have the Complete Home Walgreens brand medium or trash bags. They are $4.99. but they are currently buy one get 2 free. So you would just pay $4.99. That comes out to be like $1.66 a box. I use these for my van because my kids throw all their trash all over the place, and I have a little garbage bin that I have weighted, and then I put those in there, and it's perfect for that, and they're also perfect for the bathroom. So easy deal that you guys can do this week at Walgreens. So here we have the General Mills cereal. These are on sale for 3 for $7. Otherwise, if you guys really have a hankering for some Kellogg's, they are buy one at $5.99, get 2 free. So those are $6, 3 for $6. But we're looking at the Lucky Charms. I like General Mills cereal more anyways, but they are 3 for $7. There's currently a digital coupon for $1 off of 2. Now I guarantee you when the item scans, I bet you there will be a Catalina that prints off for $1.50 off of 3. I have to see if I have any, but you're going to use that $1 off of 2 digital coupon. You will pay $6 for 3 boxes. But there is a Fetch Rewards deal where if you buy 2 of the Lucky Charms cereal, I don't know if it has to be that box, it just says it excludes these 2. But if you buy 2 of the Lucky Charms, you'll get 400 points, which is 40 cents back with Fetch Rewards. So either you'll get these for $6 or $2 each a box, or $5.60 or $1.87. So you can buy whatever 3 boxes you want. I would just suggest getting 2 Lucky Charms and then a different random other one. So we have a gift card deal of the week. It is Cabela's or Bass Pro Shops, but every 2 gift cards that you buy, you will get a $10 Walgreens gift card. So it looks like the minimum for all these is $25. So you'll end up paying 50 bucks, but then you'll get a $10 Walgreens gift card. You can do this deal as many times as you want, but a great deal, $60 value for $50. So here we have the Head & Shoulders. Some are on sale for all random, but what you're going to do is you're going to get 2 of them for the $6 price. We currently have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon, so you're going to end up paying just $9 for 2 of them. Then you will get a $3 register reward when you purchase the 2 of them, making them just, I forgot my thing, 6... You guys, I can't remember what I was saying. You're going to buy them for $12. You're going to use that 3, pay $9. Then you will receive a $3 register reward, making them $6 or just $3 a piece. I had it in my head and then I went blank because I was focusing on the music. Hello, everybody. So I'm going to tell you guys this. Register rewards are not working. They are not working. They are not scanning. Some people are having luck, some people are not. I went to like this Walgreens group that I'm in just to see what the status is. Some people are saying yes, some people are saying no. So what I did is I get to the register, he scans all my items, I give him my register rewards that are expiring today. They're expiring today, and they weren't working. And he's like, well, I could void the transaction and redo it. I says, whatever you guys want to do, whatever you want to do. I just hate calling Walgreens corporate. I hate it. So if you guys have luck, go for it. He's like, well, I says, if you want to try to enter it in, you could enter it in. So he entered it in and it worked. So it's a hit or miss, but I had 4 register rewards that were expiring. So he entered it in and it worked. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up. Register rewards are not working, but they are printing. They are printing. So if you guys, I would suggest today, if you guys are using register rewards, see what you could do, or call customer service, see if, hey, can I get points instead of, you know, a register reward, or whatever you guys can do. So just giving you guys a heads up. Another thing is, I thought I was going to have a $1.50 off digital, a Catalina print off for the General Mills cereal, but it did not. And that is okay. That is okay. But I ended up getting 2 boxes of the Lucky Charms, and then I got 1 box of the Reese's Puffs. Now, I ended up eating some Halloween ones of these, and I actually really like this cereal. I really enjoy eating this cereal, so I'm gonna get more of these. So I got 2 of the Lucky Charms and 1 of the Puffs. Again, these were 3 for $7. I used that $1 off of 2 digital coupon. You would pay $6 for it, but when you purchase 2 boxes of the Lucky Charms, you do get 400 points with Fetch Rewards, which is 40 cents, but hey, we'll take it, making them just $5.60 or $1.87. And I usually try to go cheaper for a box of cereal, but you know what? With the things that's going on these days, I will take it. I will take it. So, yes. Now, I know there are other stores that you can get it cheaper. Not everybody has those stores. Not everybody has the option to go to those stores. Some people might only can rely on certain stores, so that's why I'm sharing with you guys those deals. I did pick up my free photo. This was a deal that was from last weekend. It's a dead deal, but I ended up getting that. I have so many 8x10 photos, you guys, that I'm like, husband, give me some photos that I can make into 4x6s. So this is when we went to California last summer. This was the Joshua Tree, and I can't remember where this was, but he wanted me to put some photos in there, so I'm like, yes. So anytime I need any 4x6 photos, I've been gonna just order them through 8x10s because it's simple, it's easier, and it's cheap, and it's free. So yeah, so I got that. Then I also ended up getting 3 of the Olay's bar soap because I love their bar soap. So these were $8.29. I used the 5 off of 3 digital coupon. You would pay $19.87 for 3 of them. But there is an Ibotta deal that you guys can stack, so you get $6 or $2 back, so it's $6 back with Ibotta. And you will also receive a $5 register reward. When you purchase the 3 of them, you will receive a $5 register reward, making these just $8.87 or $2.95. And there's 6 bars in here. Yes, I've been using the strawberry mint ones for probably the last 5 years. I have a huge stockpile of them, but it's nice to have some other scents every once in a while. So yeah, then I also got, I didn't get very much, you guys, because I feel like I have a lot of this stuff. Like, I love to get the bags. I love to get the bags, but I have a ton of bags. I have so much dish soap, but I still like to share with you guys on that. I ended up getting the Burt's Bees. This is $3.50. And I got the mouthwash for $4. I used a $2.50 digital coupon, or $2 digital coupon and a $1 digital coupon. Paid $4.50 for the both of these, but then you will receive a $3 register reward, making these $1.50 or just 75 cents. So not the greatest deal, but I still wanted to share with you guys, unless, you know, sometimes I have coupons where I'm like, I gotta use them, I gotta use them, I gotta use them. And then I ended up getting the Colgate, which is an easy freebie. These are both just $4. You gotta use a $2 off digital coupon and a $2 off digital coupon. You will pay $4, but you will receive a $4 register reward, making both of these free, which is a great deal. And everything that I did do, you can pay with Walgreens cash to lower your out-of-pocket. I did have a booster. I had a booster of spend $30, get $7 back. So I actually paid 20 bucks for all that stuff, but then I got $7 back and all that stuff. But my total before register rewards are factored in was $32.27. So again, I didn't get a lot, but I'm still happy with everything that I got. So $32.27. I did receive $12 back of register rewards. I did receive $7.40 for Walgreens cash, and that was because of my booster. I'm trying to build up my booster points, or my points again. Like, you guys, back in the day, I used to have like 300 bucks. $300. Like, it was so nice with all the points that you guys could get, especially when toothpaste was considered beauty, because they had it where every 50 or every 30 you spent, you got like money. Like, I miss the days of couponing at Walgreens. I really do. But I did receive $7.40 back for points. Ibotta, I did get $6 back for buying the 3 Olay, and then with Fetch Rewards, I received 400 points, which is 40 cents. Yes. So my grand total came to be $6.47. I got 10 items at just 65 cents each. So not a lot of great deals, but some deals that I'm happy with, stuff that I actually like to use, and stuff that I am happy with. So if you guys enjoyed this Walgreens haul, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. It is absolutely free, and I help you guys save some money, and along with some other things that I like to post. One thing I love to do is taste test. I got a nasty one coming up tomorrow. A nasty one that is coming up tomorrow. But all you have to do is subscribe to my channel. Help me hit 70,000 subscribers for the year of 2024. I would absolutely love that. And you guys are the best if you guys can help me out. So thanks for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up. And I will see you guys next week for another Walgreens haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.